Want to unlock insights, add contact buttons, or grow your brand on Instagram? Then it's time to switch to a professional account. And here's how to do it in less than a minute. First, open the Instagram app and head over to your profile by tapping your photo in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. Here, tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show you a few screens explaining the benefits, like analytics, contact options, and growth tools. Just keep tapping Continue. Now choose whether you're a creator or a business. Creators are for influencers or public figures, and business is for brands or companies. Pick your category, like blogger, artist, or entrepreneur, and tap Done. Instagram may ask if you want to connect to a Facebook page. You can skip this or link it now. Up to you. And that's it. Your account is now professional, with access to insights, promotion tools, and more. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more Instagram how-to videos on the channel.